Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to clean ink cartridges in a HP Envy Photo 7134. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve a PC or laptop. So first thing we need to do is go into the settings of the printer, which you can see on the bar at the top here, represented with a little cog. Press the bar and then press the cog to go into setup. Now we need to scroll until we get to printer maintenance, just towards the bottom. And then clean cartridges is the very top option. So press to go into that. Press continue. Now this will take your printer a minute or so. You hear some noises coming from it, and what it's doing is pushing ink through the print head of the cartridges to dislodge any dried or congealed ink that might be causing you print quality issues. So if we give it a minute or so to do its thing, your printer will eventually print a print quality diagnostic page, which is kind of like a test page from the machine, allowing you to check the results of your clean. As you can see here, we've got blocks of cyan, magenta, yellow, light cyan, magenta, and yellow as well, but these aren't pure colors used by your printer. This is your printer using the cyan, magenta, and yellow that it carries in the color cartridge, just in a lighter respect. So focus on these three when it comes to the color. And obviously you've got a dedicated block for the black in various shades as well. Now, if there was any issues, if you had odd looking prints, you could expect it to be missing colors. And if you had stripe looking prints, you'd be looking for stripes on a particular color to let you know where the issue lies. Now, if you still have print quality issues after that clean, you've got the option on this screen to clean again, and you can just go in circles doing cleans and test pages until you see an improvement in your print quality. Now I hope you found this useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If you have anything else to add, chuck it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.